we invite you to take a virtual journey through the streets of Rainbow Massif, one of the most beautiful neighborhoods in Kyiv. This quiet and cozy neighborhood is located on the left bank of the Dnipro River, in the Dniprovskyi district of Kyiv. We will drive through the streets and feel the rhythm of life and the magic of this district. The Rainbow Massif is a place where reality is intertwined with incredible phenomena and amazing stories and legends. One of the legends tells of ancient times when the massif was a vast field covered with flowers and grasses. Every spring, it was a sea of colors: red poppies, yellow dandelions, blue cornflowers, white daisies. And in the middle of this paradise of flowers was a small lake whose clear waters reflected all the colors of the rainbow. The people who lived nearby believed that this lake had amazing powers. It gave people happiness, love, and longevity. But one day, an evil witch came to the area. Her black heart was filled with envy at the beauty of the sea of flowers. She decided to destroy it and take possession of its magical power. The sorceress cast a spell, and the field instantly turned black. The flowers withered, and the lake turned black. But a local soothsayer knew how to break the spell. Early in the morning, she gathered dew from the 7 colors of the rainbow and sprinkled it on the lake. And a miracle happened. The water in the lake shone again, and flowers bloomed around it. The evil sorceress, unable to withstand the light of goodness, disappeared forever. Since then, people have called this place Rainbow. To this day, the people of the Massif say that if you make a wish while standing by the lake, it will definitely come true. After all, the Rainbow Massif is a place where goodness, beauty, and love live. People believe that those who are in harmony with the nature of the Rainbow Massif can perceive the secrets of the past and receive great wisdom and energy from them. They can feel the magic of the rainbow world, which helps them to find harmony in their modern lives. The history of the estate dates back to ancient times. In the past, there were private houses here, which were later demolished to make way for a modern housing estate. Construction of the Rainbow District began in the 70s of the last century. It was quickly built as a residential area for the workers of Kyiv's factories. The peculiarity of the district is the alternation of 16-story and 9-story buildings. At that time, it was designed for 35,000 inhabitants. For the first time in Kyiv, residential buildings of the T-series with improved layout were used in the development of the neighborhood. As you can see, the architecture of the Rainbow Massif is quite typical of Soviet housing in the 1930s. Panel and brick houses predominate. The buildings are built close together, with simple shapes and no excessive decoration. The layout of the apartments is typical of the period, with small kitchens. In general, the architecture of the Rainbow Massif is not sophisticated, but it has its own unique atmosphere associated with the time of Soviet modernism.